The Pentagon has begun sending a number of strategic weapons to its various military bases in the Indo Pacific region, including the Philippines. The delivery came days after the U.S. signed a trilateral security agreement with the Philippines and Japan. The U.S. Army said it was sending a Typhoon medium-range missile launcher to northern Luzon, Philippines, which will be used in the Salanib 2024 joint military exercise. The delivery of the weapon system, according to the U.S. Army, is important to increase interoperability, readiness and defense capabilities, in coordination with the armed forces of the Philippines. The Typhoon weapons system is capable of supporting the launch of Tomahawk and SM-6 cruise missiles. The system was delivered with the command center and other logistics vehicles from Joint Base Lewis McChord in Washington state using a U.S. Air Force C-17 Globemaster transport aircraft. If the Tomahawk is used more as an attacker, the SM-6 missile is seen as a defense system to face hypersonic weapons. The Tomahawk missile itself has a range of up to 1,600 kilometers. Placement in the northern Luzon region will enable the missile's range to reach some areas of China's coast and a number of military bases in the Bamboo Curtain country in the South China Sea, which has been a hotspot for Chinese and Philippine Coast Guard ships. Before finally being sent to the Philippines, the U.S. Army often mentioned that Japan had the potential to host this weapon system. Although there will be a negative reaction from Japanese citizens because of the country's potential to become a target for attacks by Chinese weapon systems, according to several U.S. officials, the temporary deployment is still wide open. Apart from Japan, Guam also has the potential to host this weapon system. Guam, which is located around 2,400 kilometers east of the Philippines, is one of the locations of the U.S. joint military bases in the Pacific region. If this step is carried out, the deployment of this strategic weapon system will be the first since the Cold War, competing with plans to expand China's influence and its military bases in the Pacific region. Information regarding the delivery of strategic weapon systems, including medium-range missiles, to the Indo-Pacific region was criticized by China. In China's view, this step would have dangerous consequences. Beijing promised a strong response to the move. China firmly opposes this and will take firm countermeasures. We urge the United States to truly respect the security concerns of other countries and stop undermining regional peace and stability, said Chinese Defense Ministry spokesman Wu Qian last Friday.